Welcome to Desi Khana, your favorite destination for delicious food and healthy living. Today, let's talk about a spice that's both flavorful and fascinating, nutmeg. Did you know nutmeg isn't just a kitchen staple, but is also loaded with secrets and surprising benefits? Let's explore the 6 key facts about nutmeg, how to use it safely, and important precautions everyone should know. Number 1. What is nutmeg? Nutmeg is the seed of a small fruit that grows on the evergreen tree Myristica fragrans. When the fruit ripens, it reveals a hard brown seed we call nutmeg. This seed contains aromatic oils responsible for its strong, spicy fragrance and distinctive taste. The tree usually grows 16 to 49 feet tall, and in the right conditions can reach up to 98 feet. Number 2. Nutmeg versus mace. Did you know this tree provides 2 different spices, nutmeg and mace? Mace is the lacy red-orange covering found around the nutmeg seed. Once separated and dried, mace has a sharper, spicier flavor compared to nutmeg, reminiscent of coriander, black pepper, and pine. Number 3. Where is nutmeg found and grown? Nutmeg originated in Indonesia's Banda Islands, also called the Spice Islands. Historically, nutmeg, mace, and cloves from this region sparked fierce trade rivalries known as the Spice Wars. Today, nutmeg is also cultivated in India, Sri Lanka, Grenada in the Caribbean, Papua New Guinea, and other places. In fact, Grenada values nutmeg so much it appears on their national flag. Number 4. Psychoactive properties of nutmeg. Nutmeg should be used cautiously and only in small amounts because excess consumption can cause psychoactive effects, confusion, dizziness, dry mouth, nausea, and even hallucinations. This is due to a compound called myricin, found in high quantities in nutmeg. Eating more than 10 grams may lead to such effects, and for sensitive people, even 5 grams can be too much. Use just a quarter to half a teaspoon at a time for safety. Number 5. Nutmeg's health benefits and folk uses. Nutmeg is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds such as myricin, safrole, alamocin, saponine, pinene, terpenio, eugenol, and limonene, along with catechins and caffeic acids. Traditionally, nutmeg has been used to aid digestion, relieve nausea, rheumatism, and stomach cramps, and support restful sleep. A pinch in warm milk or tea is a popular home remedy. Modern research also suggests that nutmeg oil and its compounds may help improve sleep quality. For best results, you can mix it with other sleep-promoting herbs like ashwagandha, jujube, and reishi. How to use nutmeg spice. Nutmeg's unique flavor is loved in desserts such as pumpkin pie, gingerbread, rice pudding, chai tea, mulled wine, cider, or as a topping for festive drinks like eggnog. Because ground nutmeg loses its strength quickly, freshly grated nutmeg is preferred. Always use small amounts for flavor, as its taste is potent. Precautions. Avoid excessive use of nutmeg. Some people may experience allergies or skin reactions. It is generally recommended to avoid nutmeg during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Consult your doctor if you are on medication or have serious health issues. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to Desi Khana. Stay tuned for more tasty and healthy content.